Canada is one of the most popular study destinations for Indians, and I think the numbers have been shooting up since COVID, 20% and beyond. Primary reason for that has been the easy immigration policies and ease to get a permanent residency and build a future in Canada. Compared to all the other English-speaking countries, Canada has that advantage. Now, the latest reports say that Canada is rejecting more than 40% visa applicant from India. It's a worrying trend. One of the reasons which we have been hearing is that the housing problem, even for the Canadians to find in those cities of Toronto, Vancouver, and that makes the Canadian government decide whether they really want these many students coming and not finding a good accommodation. It's very difficult for any parent when they're sending a kid. They want them to at least find a good home to stay. And the second might be the diplomatic tussle which we saw, because of which some Canadian diplomats were asked to leave the country. When you have lesser number of resources to process visa, obviously rejection rates will go up. One of the reports we are seeing that in last quarter 84% reduction has happened in terms of annual study permits issued to Indians. So it's a little bit of difficulty. So students will have to find the alternate options, and there are many European countries who provide these kind of diplomas and good quality education. The only challenge is that they are not English speaking. So students will have to decide whether they want to stick to Canada and try their luck, or they look at other countries such as in Europe and learn a new language. It's a difficult choice, I know, but I don't see things improving very significantly in coming 2 quarters. So students should decide now if they want to build their career abroad, whether they want to build in Europe or they want to build in Canada.